Hi everyone. This moment I want to educate us on how to be eligible for your property allocation once you invested in a particular property. Yes, you might have heard it before. Once you finish payments for your property, you will be allocated on your invested property. That is what is called statutory fees on real estate investing. Is statutory fees a hidden charge or is it hidden charges? The answer is no. Statutory fees are payments expected from the investor for particular services to be rendered or that has already been rendered for the charges or the fees to be covered. So what is statutory fees in real essence of it? Yeah, statutory fees are fees that have been used to carry out developmental projects on the estate, like perimeter fencing, provision of access roads, drainage, electricity, and the rest of it. So, monies are used for the development of the estate through these statutory fees. Another one is payment of your survey plan. Yeah, these surveyors, they are all professionals. They are expected to be paid. So it's through statutory fees that their payments are made to them. And many of the time, it is at a discounted rate. So statutory fees are not hidden charges. It is payment expected of investors to be made once they finish payment of the land or house they buy. They should be able to make payment for statutory fees. Though with some developers it varies. Some developers normally make their statutory fees all inclusive, as in they add it together with the property price. Some developers normally map out these statutory fees aside and show it to the investors. So it is not hidden charges. Rather, these are fees that are used for the development and the rendering of better services to these investors. So once every investor has paid up his statutory fees, he is due for property allocation. So some developers normally do instant allocation, some normally do quarterly. So it is up to you when buying a property to ask questions. To ask, when am I going to be allocated? And some of these stores are captured in the contract note issued to you. So, but it is good enough to ask questions. So once you clear your statutory fees, you are eligible for allocation. So congratulations to all the investors, all the people that keyed into Zealous Homes and Property Abeokuta. There will be allocation to all the investors on 17th of April 2025. Etile Court Phase 1, Etile Court Phase 2, and Zealous Greenland. Zealous Greenland. So they are coming up on the 17th of April 2025. That is next month. Mark your calendars. Mark your calendars. Congratulations to you, as your property is already appreciating. Your investment is going up. The only way to work out of poverty is through investment, through investing. Allow your money to work for you. And it is already proven since the beginning of humanity, since the history of humanity, that real estate is a viable vehicle for wealth creation. It hedges your fund against inflation. While others are complaining about high inflation rate, landlords are increasing the price of their rent. Plans are increasing. What does it mean? All the real estate investors are getting richer. For all your real estate investing needs, please send me a WhatsApp message on the number on your screen, or call me with the number on your screen if you want to be part of our next success story. So this is our success story. Allocation is coming up on the 17th of April. We do not joke with our investors. Congratulations to them all. See you soon.